Hello guys, welcome to heydesidal. Today's recipe is an Andhra special Gutti Vankaya Kura. Here are the ingredients, so please feel free to pause the video and take a look. Without further ado, let's get started. First, take the brinjals of the violet variety, cut them into halves and then into quarters. To get rid of the bitterness and improve the flavor of the flesh, take a bowl of water and soak all of them for 15 minutes with a tablespoon of salt. Now, add 2 tablespoons of peanuts and dry roast them on a low flame. While they turn little dark and crunchy, add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, some cloves, cardamom, and a stick of cinnamon. Add tamarind and a dry red chilli. Once it's almost done, add some shredded coconut. And half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Let it cool down for a while and transfer to a blender. Then to this mixture add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, some ginger garlic paste and a small chunk of jaggery, some onion and a garlic clove. Now blend the masala, adding in a little water until this consistency. Later gently open the brinjal and stuff the masala into it. Make sure there's enough masala stuffed into each of it for the flavor to blend well with the brinjals. So have stuffed all the brinjals, set them aside so that you can work on the curry. Preheat the pan, take 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and cumin seeds. When they start to splutter, add thinly sliced onion and saute until they turn translucent. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of chili powder. Sear the onions for a while and add all the stuffed brinjals into the pan. Now cover it up with the lid to cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, gently turn the brinjals to the other side and saute. Now proceed to cook with the lid for another 2 minutes. Wow! At this stage, you can really smell all the flavors cooking together. Now add all the remaining masala to the pan and add the required amount of water for the brinjals to cook well. Cover the pan for the last time and cook for 15 minutes. Now the oil is well separated and seems to be cooked. Finally, add some fresh cilantro. The addition of peanuts and sesame seeds gives it an amazing taste to this recipe and are very healthy. You can have it as a side with hot rice, pulao, also with chapatis and pulkas. Give this Andhra special Gutti Vankaya recipe a try for a weekend dinner or a special Sunday lunch. Here you go. Thanks for watching.